have to drop on your lap or something? Oh. Wish for a pencil and a band-aid on the table. Where are you? Katie, when are we getting those glasses?
I don't know. I like something and then I got them again.
Is it your far-sighted or nearsighted? Okay, so my glasses wouldn't help you because mine's are reading glasses. You needed like a special. Oh, Katie, I marked you absent. Did you arrive tardy?
Yeah,
A little bit.
no big. This I forgot what we learned about it.
You can look at the paper.
And we were learning about like it was just like about how it was about
You have a paper that you did.
that was about like our 2020 I forgot. What about the GPA?
Oh yeah, that was part of. There you go. Angel, remember something? Yes, that was part of it.
Too, just like
What do we want to break?
Huh? What if what? Say it louder. Sorry.
It'll be like this now, all white.
what did he say?
He said he's gonna be like Caesar and be quiet. But I think your question matters. I just didn't hear you.
This is a word I just feel like
Oh,
I just feel like talking about like that we learned about what we were
okay. Sorry, it's the mess, y'all. Don't get mad at me and don't give up on asking the question. And it could be that I'm getting old and maybe I can't hear as well. We got 35 seconds on the clock. See, you see those sentence starters right there? So for example, if you don't remember, right, then that means you hardly understood whatever it is that we covered because you don't remember it, right? So you can write about that. You don't have to remember everything all the time. All right. Let's see. How many of you guys give me a thumbs up if you need more time? Like you just still struggling with this question of like, what did we do? Hello? Y'all gotta tell me physically. I'm not gonna read your mind. You need more time. I need you to like communicate with me, y'all. Otherwise, I assume that you are done. I'm gonna give you 2 more minutes. And if you are done, I'm gonna come around and stamp your completed work. Who's done over here? We still ready? Done? Says that. Right. Right. Give me. Tell me how it go deeper. Oh, is that what the box is for? Okay, I try to remember. Sorry. Oh, you need the New Year's resolution. You're done. Okay. Because you're going to need to teach this to your partner. Whatever Ms. Gaspar says is what you are going to repeat to your partner. Both partners should go. So if one partner starts off explaining it and they're done and time's not up, the next partner starts repeating again the same thing. This is recall, okay? So the objective for today is I can review the requirements for the notebook. I'm just using Zoom to record the lesson. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this again. Class?
Yes.
Class?
Yes.
I'm sorry, Ms. Gaspar made that mistake, but I'm gonna show you again what you're going to teach your partner, okay? Just in case you got confused. What you're teaching them is that you are going to review the requirements for the notebook and organize it. How we're gonna do it is Ms. Gaspar is gonna model how to organize the book. Then you as students will spend some time pasting and gluing the pages, organizing the table of contents, and getting ready for unit number 3. Okay, materials that you're going to need are your interactive notebook guide, which is the blue paper, your composition book, rulers, and glue sticks. And I forgot to put here pen, pencil, because you're gonna need to do a lot of numbering, okay? We're gonna do some tedious tasks today, okay? Tedious means it's gonna take, like you're gonna have to do things just to organize everything. And you're gonna be like, Miss, really, do we have to do this? And I'm gonna say, yes, okay? All right, so here we go, on 3. 1, 2, 3, teach.
Okay.
All right, you got that point. And go ahead, teach your partner.
We are going to
Class,
Yes.
class,
Yes.
class.
Yes. Yes.
Point.
1 point. Okay. So we're gonna get started, okay? So everybody needs materials. Right now, what I need you to do is send one person to get enough rulers, to get at least 2 glue sticks for your table. And if you want, you can take scissors too. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes to do that. Let's go, folks. Let's go. 2 minutes to get your materials. So this whole table doesn't have anything? Dang, that's good for y'all. I was hoping you would have it.
No, go get your own. And yes, I got one for 9. Don't pay.
Oh, you just need a stamp. It's gonna go in your notebook. This is why I said.
Miss, it doesn't have staples.
Okay, I will get you staples. Excuse me, Madeleine. Sorry, y'all. I mean, I wish I had a notebook.
Oh, I guess I got that.
But I do not. Where did I put? What do you have? Let me see. That's what you have. That's what you're gonna use. I just make sure this is not gonna fall apart. Okay. Oh, yeah, that works. Yeah, that'll work. That's fine. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is time. Class? Yes. Class? Yes. Okay, so we have a little issue because we have some of you guys that don't have your composition book in the class. But I'm not gonna let that slow us down because I need you guys to be ready, okay?
You have any math?
Which means that, it's what? I will get you one in a second. I have masks, don't worry. Oh, I don't have that, but I'll give you a mask. Which means that if you don't have it, you're gonna have to write down everything that we're doing, you're gonna have to do it, okay? There's another activity I'm gonna have you do related to your notebook that you will be able to do, so don't worry, at some point you're gonna be able to do something, okay? And also, don't worry, this is not gonna take the whole time. And I'm recording this, so if you like forgot something, you can go back to Schoology, look at the video, fast forward where you need to see how to organize this, because it's gonna be very tedious and you have to focus, okay? So let's get started with this. The first thing I need you to do is make sure that you have the blue paper and the New Year's resolution handout out, okay? Make sure you have your notebook out. Make sure you have a pencil because you're gonna need it. And if people are talking while we're doing this, while I'm showing you, Ms. Gaspar will keep getting points. If you can stay focused and you are engaged, fully engaged, even if you don't have a notebook, you will get a point. So let me exit this screen right here. Oh, you know what? I don't even think I was, oh, I was sharing. So I'm gonna go back over here. And where's that? Oh, this is what I need. Okay, see, as you notice, you see that my notebook's right there. It is very important that we start. No, ignore that. I'm recycling one of my daughter's notebooks. Because like you, I forgot to buy one. And last night at home, I was like, we gotta have something. So she saved me yesterday. She came to the rescue. Okay, here we go, y'all. So here we go. What you're going to do is, again, I say you need a pencil, I need a pencil. We're gonna start with the first. It is very important that you put your name. See how my daughter has her name right there? You need to put your name just as that. Her name is Adila, period 3. This was her English. Her teacher was Ms. Reynoso. But whatever your name is, whatever the subject, it's Gaspar. Okay? Do that right now if you have a composition book. If you don't have a composition book and you have an Everest book, you can simply just take a piece of paper, write it on it, and you're gonna paste it on there so you know that's your notebook. There's something else I'm gonna ask you to do related to it. But for now, step 1, put your name on it. Okay? If you don't have a notebook, you should be writing step 1. Make sure to put my name on it. Okay? If you are at home, you can fast forward however fast you want. Okay? So that's the first step. Step 2. This is the tedious part. So this is the part that's gonna take a lot of time. I'm gonna give you about 10 minutes to do it. 10 to 15, see how fast you get, how far you get. Okay? The first thing you should know is that the first part, this. See how it looks like this? This is going to be page 0. Okay? And when I tell you, you're gonna put your New Year's resolution paper. Not right now, just when I tell you. Okay, so you're gonna put page 0, New Year's resolution, 2022. Okay? That's what you should be writing on your notes if you don't have a composition. Next. So tear it off. Okay. 0. Okay, next. We're gonna start with is your New Year's resolution. I have to remember how I did it last night. Right. Okay. And then you're going to start with page 1. Now you can decide, is my page 1 gonna go here or is it gonna go at the bottom? You choose that, it's up to you, as long as your pages are numbered. So this is the part that's gonna take a long time, okay? So 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes I'm gonna give you. And then what the tedious part is that you're going to number all your pages right now. And before you do anything, you're going to number, so follow me. So your number 1 should start on this side, okay? And I'm gonna do it right here. So page 1, and maybe I'll put page 1, okay? 2. So it should be 1, 2, okay? Odd, even. There's a reason for that. If you read the directions, you know that we're gonna be using odd, even a lot, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And right now, I'm gonna start a timer just to make us, make sure that we know what we're doing. So we're gonna do for 10 minutes. Let's do 12 minutes. We're gonna number as many pages as we can. Okay, and while you're doing it, I'm doing it because I'm setting up my classroom notebook for you. So 3, wait. Yeah, I already messed up. This is 5, 6, 7. Don't skip any pages, back and front. 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, I'm counting out loud. 17, 18. Make sure that you're always landing on odd, even. Okay, because if you don't land on odd, even, that means you may have skipped a page. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That's a point for me. Thank you, Cesar. I'm not cheating. I hear people doing other stuff they're not supposed to be doing. 27, 28, 29, 30. That's right. If you need paper, go get some paper so you can write this down. Take your education in control. It's not the end of you if you don't have a notebook. Okay, you want me to put another pump for myself over there? Okay. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, 41, 42. 43, 44, 45, 46, woo, 47, 48, 49, 50. You want to ahead of me? I'm on page 50, 51. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Anyone can tell me why is it important for us to number our pages ahead of time? 72.
So when you write it down, you already know what page you're in?
Yep. And also so that if you miss something, right?
You know what page
You
you're in.
know, oh snap, I'm missing something. I was absent. I need to make sure that I ask Ms. Gaspar, maybe I can look at the classroom notebook and see if she wrote it down. 76, 77, 78. We're gonna do that in a second. 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. I'm just gonna go till like the timer goes off. And if we don't finish, it is your job to finish all the way to the end, okay? 85, 80. Ah! See, I already messed up. I skipped the number. 85, 86, 88, 89, 90. Can I get to 100 before that timer goes up? Feel like it's 91, 92. Again, make sure that you are landing on odd even. 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Hey, it's 100. 100. I'm gonna keep going. 101, 102. I'll stop when the timer starts. Hopefully I started the time. 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 112. Okay, now those of you who don't have a notebook, it is very important for you to start off when you do it at home. So you have to do it at home. I'm not gonna do it in class anymore. That you start with counting your pages and numbering. Don't do anything except number first. Okay? Because let's be real, you guys, if you don't number now, you ain't gonna go back and number. And then you're gonna be like, I don't even know what page this is. What page are we on, miss? So do it now so that you know. Oh, Ms. Gaspar says 116. I feel like I did not start that time. Did I start it? Oh, there's 4 minutes left. Dang, I'm gonna finish this notebook. 118, 119. And the reason why you have to go all the way is like, we might go all the way too. So you don't want any surprises. $123, $124, $105, $126. Yeah, how come last time I did not get this one? Because you're, oh yeah, new year, new me, that's why. I did not realize that. Okay. And it does get tiring. There's 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139. And yeah, let me give 10 minutes. 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146. Now you finished?
No.
Oh, wait. Whose hands is tight? Who's ready to stop? Who's finished? Okay, we're gonna stop at one. I'm gonna stop right here. 150. Oh, I almost made it to the end.
Because you're like
There's 2
determined.
minutes left.
Yeah, I can do it. 152, 153, 154. Let's see. I'm gonna win this point, y'all.
Wait, we done
155. Hey, if you gave up, you're not engaged. 156. 157. Let's get for wins. Yay, I got a point.
That's not count.
If you stop participating, you were not fully engaged. All right.
Kept going.
Yeah, but not everybody kept going. That's the thing.
Miss, that's cheating.
That's not cheating. I said whenever you're not fully engaged, I will be
Miss,
getting a
that's
point.
right.
Okay. Next step. Okay. Next step. So now that we have numbered all our pages, they're all numbered. We're gonna do our table of contents. So we're gonna spend some time with our table of contents. So it's gonna be page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4. Okay? That is it. Wait, hold on. Let me see how far I went with the other guys. Oh, and page 5. Okay, so it goes from page 1 through 5. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing you're gonna do right now because I want to make sure that you're set up for this process, and I need to set up because remember what I said. This is a classroom notebook, which means that you're gonna see Ms. Gaspar using this a lot to show you what it should look like for you. Okay, so I'm grabbing a ruler. You need a ruler, and I'm gonna remind myself of the structure. So follow me along. So you're gonna draw a line. You can either use this line as your guide if you want, if you have a line there already.
Miss, I finished.
Oh, wow.
You get a point.
Okay,
So,
there's a line right there, and then there's gonna be a line right here. Okay? And there's gonna be line up here. Okay, and the reason why you wanna draw this line is you wanna make sure you know what goes there. So at the top, you're gonna put the date for every assignment you do. Okay, and right here is gonna be the title / name of assignment. Anytime we do something, I'm always gonna have a slide that tells you what we're doing. That tells you the name of it. So when we're doing something, I will tell you this is what it is. And then right here, page number. Okay? And at the top, you're gonna say table of contents. Okay? So we're gonna do all this setup right now. So I did my page 1, remember it goes all the way to page 5. So I'm gonna do all of them right now, set them up. The reason I'm doing this is that I know I'm not gonna have time. I'm a busy lady. I'm not gonna go back and do this at home. I gotta cook dinner. So I gotta do it now with you guys. Well, not today. Today my husband cooks. We trade off. I don't know, but he's a good cook. Sometimes he does that. Whoops. Okay.
It's when you write for the
Yeah.
title thing.
This right here?
Yeah.
Put title, oh, sorry. Title, and then slash name of assignment. Okay, and then you go page number. Okay, I'm on my page 2. I'm gonna make sure that it's title, table of contents. Okay, so that's page 1, 2. Remember, we have to do this all the way to page 5. So we're going here again, drawing the line, drawing the line again. I feel like I'm doing a YouTube channel.
That's about a blogger name.
I know. Well, like how to set up a notebook. You put the date, title, slash name. My pencil stopped working. Got another one. Of assignment. Okay, page number. And then table of content. And the reason also I'm doing this right now is as soon as I'm done, we're moving on to something else. So if I can do it in that amount of time, you can do it. And obviously, I don't know how to draw a straight line even with a ruler. That is embarrassing. Yeah, that's better.
This is up to page 5, right?
Yes, up to page 5, yes. That should be your last table of contents. And I will tell you in a second what we are gonna cover. We will spend some time putting things where they belong. Name of assignment. We haven't done much, so it's not gonna take long. Which is important because tomorrow when you walk in, I'm gonna tell you page numbers that things should go in, and you should be ready to go. If for some reason you ever forget your notebook, you wanna make sure that you have paper and that you number it so that when you do have your notebook, you know exactly where it goes. Okay? This is my last page, everybody. I hope you're on your last page. Some of y'all may have finished already. Maybe you're faster than this guy. Who finished? Page number? Oops. And table of contents.
Wait, is that a 4 or 5?
This is a 5. Okay, so just a quick summary. Okay, you should have title page 0, New Year's resolution 2022. Then page 1 should have a table of contents set up like this. Page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5. Okay? That's where we are. Next, unit we do is going to have a unit title, okay? Last time I told you about this, but I did a terrible job in guiding you. And normally what you do in a unit title is you, at the end of the unit, when we're done, you come back and you draw images of what you learned, okay? So page 6 is going to be your first title page, okay? So on here, you're gonna put unit, and this is not 1 because we did unit 1 last quarter, we did unit 2 last quarter, we're on unit 3. So unit 3, and right now I'm calling it anything for, you're gonna laugh, Selena. Okay, that's the name of this unit. If it changes, I'll let you know. For now, that's what it's called. You will see why it is called that when I introduce the topic. Okay, right here, what I'm gonna ask you to do is already set it up so that you know when I'm done, I'm gonna have to draw some images here. So I'm gonna ask you to divide it into 4 quadrants. Huh? Tylenol? No, sorry. And even if I did, I won't be. Okay? When you do the titles, I mean the unit titles, okay? It'll be an image and it'll be a word. Image, word, image, word. And it must have color. Don't give me just pencil. This is creativity, okay? And even if you're not the best person, if you don't know how to draw the best, I want to see effort. I ain't gonna judge you for the color, but I do want to see what it is that you think you learned in that unit. Okay? So that's page 6. Okay? Then we're going into what are we gonna put on the next pages? Your do nows are always gonna be on odd. Okay? They're gonna always be on the odd side because they are processing your writing. I'm either gonna ask you a question related to something that we learned, or I'm gonna ask you a question that's gonna help you think about what we will be learning, okay? So we had a do now already. We had a few, yes, ma'am.
You have 3, right? How does this one look like? Unit 3. This back leg.
Oh, you want me to hold it right here for a second? 4 quadrants. I'll hold it there for a second, sorry. Thanks for reminding me of that. Y'all should draw what your unit 3 looks like.
Unit 3, anything for Selena.
Draw exactly what it's gonna look like. You don't know who Selena is?
Yes, like,
Not Selena Gomez.
I know that.
Selena Quintanilla.
Yes. I don't know how to
We're not draw, it's not gonna be just about Selena, you will see.
We're gonna watch a movie or what? I was crying watching that.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Class?
Yes.
Class?
Yes.
Okay. I need 100% focus, even if you don't have a notebook, that is your engagement. So again, I said on the left side, you put your do now. So we're gonna title this do now number 1. And what was the date?
It was, wait, the first one was 1/11?
Yes,
1/11.
22. Okay. So you always want to put the title. You always want to put the date. Okay. And then obviously you'll do your writing. Obviously, a lot of you guys did your do now out of here. So when I tell you to, okay, now you're gonna paste up, you're just gonna take some time to paste everything where we're supposed to put it. Okay. So your do now number 1 goes here. Okay. This side, this is odd even. The even side is always gonna have information, so notes. So I might tell you, we're gonna do vocabulary. You're gonna write your notes right here. Always make sure it's on the even side, okay? Or I might give you an information handout that's there for you to help you and remind you, what am I doing? And that is where this is gonna go, because this is information for you, okay? So this, you're going to put on page 8, and the title of it is right here, right? So you're gonna write that right there. So this is interactive notebook guide, okay? You don't need to write for students and parents because obviously it's too long. You can do it there. I gave it to you on the first day too. So you write the date there. When I tell you to, you're going to glue it sideways because the page is long if you have a small notebook. If you have one like Skyline, you can just straight up paste it right there because it's big enough for you. So she's like, yes, that's why I got it. If you have a small one, you just put it sideways and then you're gonna fold it in, okay? So that's what you're gonna do with this. Next, the next day, we did another thing. We did a do now number 2, right? And the date was 1/12/22. Okay? This was yesterday, correct? What's the one thing that we did together? I gave you something. I gave you something yesterday. What did I give you? The New Year's resolution. So, even though it was for processing for you, it's also information. So you're going to go, oh no, this goes in the, I'm sorry, that's my fault. See, I was about to make a mistake.
So you gotta find.
You get a point, who caught it? I caught it myself, so I should get.
Oh.
No, I was just lying.
Did I give you any other information?
No,
And,
this was just that and the.
just do now, okay. So whenever you don't get anything here, that's okay. Then it just becomes doodling space, right? So sometimes you guys need to doodle. So it becomes a doodling space right there. Okay? Say it again. Do now number 2. And today's day 3.
Yeah. This is like a Thursday, okay.
And that means that then do now number 3 goes on page 11. And have I given you anything else today? And that is where we end. And we put today's date. What's today's date? The 13th, 2022. Okay. I gotta check the time, but I'm gonna tell you to do something for your notebook right now.
It's like 11:17.
Well, no, we're probably not gonna have time, so Jeopardy most of Friday. It's better on Friday anyway. Not like you're gonna come in and be like, yeah, I'm ready to learn.
You should say tomorrow.
Yes. Well, how are your pages looking? Like after 9?
What do you mean?
It's 11:17.
They're all due now? Oh,
This is a do now, and then I said, whenever I don't have anything for you and information, just use it as a doodle space, drawing, whatever. Because I know some of you guys are artists and you could use that to draw. Unless sometimes I'll tell you, go back and paste it there.
You're like, we're about to cover everything right there.
Okay, so here's what we have, okay? And page 12, so far we don't have anything, so it might stay blank for now. Tomorrow I might give you something with information on it, so I might ask you to put something right here, okay? So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna spend some time gluing and pasting the handouts to make sure that nothing falls out. You start with your New Year's resolution. Then you go into whatever. Oh, I almost forgot. One thing we need to do. What do we need to do? This is the part that gets hard for us. We gotta update our table of contents. So page 1 through 5. Table of contents. And those of you who do not have a notebook, I will copy this down. Oh wait, why am I putting? It's today's date. Sorry, y'all. Sorry. This is what I wanted to do. Page 1 through 5. Okay. So our first do now. Wait. What's after that? What's on page 6? Oh, our unit title. Our unit title is ongoing, so I'm gonna put ongoing because there's no specific date. We're gonna put unit 3, anything for Selena. And then you're gonna put page 6. Then page 7 is do now number 1. I gave it to you on the first day. Do now number 1. First day, page 7. First day is interactive notebook guide. As soon as I do something wrong, please tell me. Everyone should be copying this. Page 8, 112, 2022 is going to be due now. Number 2, page 9, 1. Okay, this one's ongoing because is this the doodle page? Let me double check. Is it? Yeah. Okay, and that is page 10, 113, 2022 is due now, number 3, which is on page 11. Okay, and now we know that tomorrow we already know what page our due now is going to be in because it's always going to be on odd side. Anytime that I ask you to do summaries, they're always going to be on the odd side. Sometimes I am going to ask you to draw something related to something that we learned, okay, for you to process. I'm going to call them pause and process. That's why it's important that you have odd and even on the same pages a lot of times, okay? And you will be responsible to update this on your own, okay? All the classes did them on their own, but I'm gonna be honest with you, most of the students like, oh, I forgot. So the students that did well, they were like updating as they went. Don't leave it to last.
Miss, what time is it?
Time for you to get a watch and not time to leave yet. I'm gonna give you an assignment right now, but you guys, those of you that are ready, you're going to be pasting. It shouldn't take you that long. Yeah. And you finish that up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign something to everyone else. Hold on, I'm going to post something up on this side. So you're going to need your computer, so take out your computer.
11:25.
Dang, you beat me by 1.
So we still take out our Chromebooks?
Yes, take out your yeah, you're going to do it. And what you're going to do is G5. Over. Okay, is there anyone else that still needs to see the table of contents? Can I stop showing it? Okay, you still. Okay. So what I need folks to do is to go to Skies Learn. There is a link that was there placed for you for yesterday's date. So I'm gonna show you in a second what you're gonna be doing, but I want you to take out your computer, start going into LMS.
you have planned out till week 4?
No, there's nothing in there.
Oh, then it's just a folder, right?
Well, I put the folders in there because I know I need to have that
I was
updated.
like, Miss, you really do plan ahead.
Oh, I do know how it's gonna end.
Oh.
Miss, tell me what my French teacher's class 13. It says that we started January 7th. I'm like, we did not start January 7th. But I can't tell her because she's not even there. And she's absent like on
Okay, so everybody go to LMS, go to week 1 folder. And I'm gonna paste the link right now to Schoology, I mean, not to Schoology, to Skies Learn, and what I'm gonna ask you to do right now. No, it's, oh, time for the, let me finish this and then I will let you have it. I'm gonna paste it right now. Huh?
Miss, I believe it, 11:25.
I believe I need to finish this, so when I'm done, I will gladly let you pick up your phone. Let me finish, class. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you. I'm pasting the link right now. You should find it in today's dates folder. It's gonna be called Notebook Collage. So you gotta go there.
the posting.
Yes, it's posted now. So I'm gonna stop sharing here, and I'm gonna show you what I am doing, what I want you to do for the next 10 minutes.
Oh, Miss, it's today the 13th.
Yep, today is the 13th. So you go to LMS
Do you log in with their email?
with your LAUSD, yes. Remember to always press the red button.
Oh,
Press the red button for Google. You go here, week 1. You go to today's date, the 13th. Do you guys prefer for me to put the date, or do you want me to put the day of the week and the date for the folders?
The date.
Just the date? Okay.
Miss, I thought you were
So
over
you-
here planning for week 4 and it was the number. So
Then you click on this and it should open up for you. Then what you should see, Skyline already opened it up. It should be a blank document. Here's what I'm gonna ask you to do. You're gonna open up that blank document and you're gonna find images related to who you are, anything, okay? Because you're going to create a collage for your notebook, you're going to personalize it. Okay, so it could be anything that, because it's ethnic studies, it's all about you, your identity, your heritage, everything. So you're just gonna do a search right now. You're gonna copy and paste the images here, and then I'll print out the images for you. Okay? I can't do in color, so it's gonna have to be black and white. If you want color and you have a color printer at home, print it at home. But if you don't have a printer, I will print it here and put as many as you can, because what you are going to be doing is sort of like this one. Look, this is a start. Oh wait, I forgot.
Make it fill up the page, Miss?
Yeah, as many images as you can. You want to create a collage. See, this is my little family right here. But you want to put as many images around. Make sure your name is still showing. But you want it's about you, okay? And it's gonna be covered. Let me stop recording this. And I forgot, people for at home, sorry, I did not record that part. But let me show you. I'm gonna explain this one more time for my people at home and for the people who may have like stopped listening 5 seconds ago. Okay, first thing, you're going to go to week 1 folder. You go to week 1 folder. You go to today's date, 1/13/22. You go to LT5 notebook collage. And you go to Skies. If it's not logged in automatically for you, click the red button. You click the G, the colorful G, and you open this document. It will be blank for you, but you are going to do a search for images. So for example, I'm Guatemalan. So I would probably, I want the Guatemalan flag. Yes. I need that in my space. So I'm gonna copy this image right here because I want it in my notebook. And I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna paste it. And it didn't work for me. Why didn't it work? I'm gonna try it again. Copy image. I bet you it's not gonna work again. Oh, it did. And you wanna make it small, don't make it too big. You can always change the size of your images by clicking this part right here. And then you go right here and your image shrinks, okay? 1 page, as many images as you can, and I will print it for you. If you're at home, I will print it when you come back, but you need to remind me. And, oh, look at this. That's a beautiful image. What else should I choose? Oh, I like Selena, so I'm gonna put Selena. I like her music. And one of our units is about it, so I want the clip art, some things. Oh, look at all these cool ones right here. Oh, I like this one. I'm gonna do this. Copy the image, go back and paste. Okay, and everyone should be doing this. If you're in the classroom right now, you should be doing it. If you're at home, obviously you'll be doing it on your own time at a different time, but make sure you do it. Ah, I deleted my images. What else should I put? What else? I already have my kids on there. Oh, I'm a teacher. Clip art. Oh no, I am not a white teacher. Oh, I know which one. Women power. Let's see what comes up. Oh, there you go. This I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna paste it. And you guys did not remind me. Go ahead and get your phones. Yeah, you won, right? By 1, barely by 1. By 1, but come back and sit down and continue doing your work. Okay, you got like about 5 minutes left. And those of you at home, we're gonna end here, but the thing that I'm about to tell people is don't forget to do your exit ticket. You can find your exit ticket in Skies Learn. If you're already in Skies Learn, I will show you how to do that right now. It's actually from yesterday because I forgot to do it for this class. So go to materials, go to week 1. And because it was in yesterday, click on yesterday's folder and there's the exit ticket. And the question is the same as how we started today. What went? What did you understand? What do you need more explanation of? And this is my third period. Why did my third period do their stuff right here? So confused. Maybe I did the wrong link for that. This is Mexican American Studies. Wait, hold on. I think I put the wrong link for you guys. Hold on. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. I think I put the wrong link for you guys. That's my fault. Yes, get mad at me.
My computer is
It's not working? What's wrong with your computer?
Oh,
Have you
yeah,
taken
that-
it to service?
Huh?
Have you taken it to service, like to, okay, you need to do that because we're not always in this class. I've decided to we're not always gonna use the computer. Oh, Diane, you're in the right place.
What?
Maybe I gave it to the wrong group. Okay, I see Diane, I see Kimberly, I see Leslie. You guys are in the right place. So maybe I gave it to the wrong place. You can use your phone. Yeah. SkysLearn works on your phone. Remember last quarter, I told you to download SkysLearn on your phone. It's the best decision you will ever make, especially when I ask you to turn in work. All right, people at home, I'm gonna stop showing things and I'm gonna log out.